first saw you there, you were in that tender age where the world was still a mystery and innocence wrote every page. And now I see you standing, so graceful, so adored, once shy without a whisper, now a voice the world can't ignore. You've grown into the woman who lived quietly in my dreams, a hope I held in silence, flowing softly through my streams. Yet I'm still not ready to say a true hello, for you're far beyond my reach, only a shadow where I go. You visit me each night, but vanish with the dawn. In my dreams you stay with me, in my waking you are gone.